Welcome all of my friends in new S class video. Today we will do the sum of the value 7.7 plus 0.77 plus 7.777 plus dot up to n terms. Let Sn equal to 0.77 plus 0.77 plus dot up to n terms. Okay, now we common 7.1 plus 0.11 plus 0.111 plus dot up to n terms. Okay, now we multiply by 9 both 0.9 plus 0.99 plus 999 plus dot up to n terms. Okay, now we can write 7 by 9 here. 1 minus 0.1 equal to 0.9. 1 minus 0.01 plus 1 minus 0.001 dot up to n terms. Now we can write 7 by 9 by here n and 0.1 plus 0.01 plus 0.001 plus dot up to n terms. Here we can use or not before 0.9 here n minus we can write 1 by 10 plus 1 by 100 plus 1 by 1000 plus dot up to n terms. Okay, now we can use the summation formula. Here n minus a 1 minus r to the power n by 1 minus r. Here a equal to 1 by 10, r equal to 1 by 10. So we can write n minus 1 by 10, 1 minus 1 by 10 to the power n by 1 minus 1 by 10. Okay, 7 by 9 by n minus 1 by 10, 1 minus 1 by 10 to the power n by here 10 minus 1 by 9 and by 10. Here 10 or 10 cancels. 7 by 9 n minus 1 minus 1 by 10 to the power n by 9. Here 7 by 81 and 9n minus 1 minus 1 by 10 to the power n. This is the answer of this sum. Okay, this is the answer of this sum. Here everybody to get my update video and every day subscribe my channel and please ring the bell button beside of this subscribe button. Okay, thank you.